Hi everyone, welcome to Bulunmaz YouTube channel. We are in Bulunmaz, downtown Istanbul, and I would like to introduce you our company, how a day is going on at Bulunmaz. Here in Bulunmaz downtown we have 3 different departments and we just entered the first one, our showroom. Our mechanical machines, our bestseller jewelry lathe inside, outside, our faceting machine for different applications, pendant, ring, bangle, and our spare parts for the machines, our sample corner that you can see all the samples of our machines here in the showroom. We have someone just leaving the office, goodbye. We just have our daily stuff, came from delivery, Turkish coffee, always welcome to drink a Turkish coffee in Bulunmaz downtown. And here we have our bangle master, ring maker, and Hakan is over there pretty busy. Here is a set of transformer that's also one of our bestseller machines which is forming the bangles. You can see here, and here is someone is pretty busy. Here you can see some goods ready to ship, and here is our hand tools. All you can see in Bulunmaz downtown Istanbul. And let's go to my room. Let's have a look at my room. Just many works are waiting to be finished in the room, and very important, the map of the world. Write in the comments where are you from. I would like to show you my special collection of exhibition since 2015. There are many others before, of course, but here is here is the exhibition badges. You can see how many exhibitions these are. None of them, almost all of them are exhibitors, so you can see how many exhibitions we are doing in just 6 years all around the world. Let's go downstairs. Here is our export center. Here is our communication office where we communicate all our customers via video, email, calls. Our experienced salespeople are based on this center. Here you can see even Señor Gabino. Hola, señor. Trabajamos un video. ¿Cómo estás? Here we have our sales professionals speaking many different languages, and whenever you are contacted us for your inquiries, we will be replying you immediately. 2 phone, 3 phone. Too many phones here, too much radiation. If we survive, we will reply. But before the sales of our tools, I would like to take you the 3rd division of our Bulunmaz downtown building, our tool production facility. We have 2 tool production facilities. One is in the industrial zone, but that one is the first one in downtown which we set up many years ago. And here you can see how we manufacture our diamond tools for you. We just had a quick look on our Bulunmaz downtown Istanbul facility. First floor our showroom, second floor our export center, and here 3rd floor is our diamond tool production facility. If you would like to know more about our company, keep watching our YouTube channel and don't forget to subscribe because we are posting new videos every Friday. I hope you liked our video. Thank you very much for your time. See you again in the next videos. See you later.